soaring competence, glow of vibrating sagarites.
Sound becomes music and smile becomes laughter.
Mind becomes meditation and life becomes celebration.
So let's celebrate the creation of life, the festival of life, Dayavahini 2020,
The annual day celebrations. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, the galaxy of intellectuals, esteemed guests, parents, teachers, and all our lovely students. It is our pleasure to extend gracious welcome to the guest of honor of today's function, Mrs. Asha N., Principal of DSIT. She is highly qualified person in the field of construction technology with a postgraduate ME degree. She is a coveted member of Indian Society for Technical Education. She is leading one of our pioneer institutions, Dayanand Sagar Institution of Technology, for more than a decade. Her singular passion always remained teaching the young minds. She insists on imparting not only knowledge but also skills side by side. Your esteemed presence amidst us today makes us feel proud.
It's our pleasure to extend a gracious welcome from the depth of my heart to a true scholar, as respected Principal Wing Commander Patanjali sir. Your goodwill, appreciation, motivation, support, and positive vibration has great impact in molding all of us.
Tat Purushaya Vidmahe Vakratundaya Dhimahi Tanno Dandi Prachodayat.
Lord Ganesha is one who dispenses wisdom and fortune and is the destroyer of obstacles. So let's begin the event with a Ganesha Pancharatnam, an invocation song by our school choir group.
Saraswati Namastubhyam Varadev Kamarupini Vidyarambam Karishyami Siddhir Bhavatu Me Sada Mudakarathamodakam Sada Vimukti Sadakam Kaladharavatam Sakam Vilasilokarakshakam Mudakarathamodakam Sada Vimukti Sadakam Kaladharavatam Sakam Vilasilokarakshakam Anayakaikanayakam Vinashite Bhadaityakam Natashubhashunashakam Namamitam Vinayakam Namamitam Vinayakam.
Thank you. Thank you, students. It was truly melodious.
Now we have the traditional auspicious lamp lighting ceremony as a tribute to Goddess Saraswati. For this, I would like to invite our guest of honor of today's function, Srimati Asha, our school principal Wing Commander Patanjali sir, for lighting the lamp. I request Mrs. Pushpalata to lead the guest to the dais. Deepam Jyoti Parabrahma, Deepam Jyoti Janardhana, Deepena Haratu Papam, Deepam Jyoti Namostute.
Yelli kanna
Thank you, madam. All the dignitaries to be seated on the dais. Now I would request Mrs. Nirmala Subramaniam, one of our senior faculty, to deliver welcome speech.
I take great pleasure and consider it an honor to welcome a very dynamic lady, a lady par excellence in our midst today, Asha ma'am. Words are not enough to tell about her dynamism. She is a highly qualified person in the field of construction technology with a postgraduate engineering degree. She is a coveted member of the Indian Society for Technical Education. She is heading one of the pioneer institutions, the DS Institute of Technology, for more than a decade. Her singular passion always remained in teaching the young minds. She insists in imparting not only knowledge, but also skills side by side. She has worn many hats in DSI, but today she is one of our celebrated principals. She is immensely talented in her field and is passionately interested in molding the minds of the youth. After all, the youth of today are the citizens of tomorrow. She is instrumental in creating a sense of moral and social responsibility in the midst of the youth of today. We certainly applaud her for her single-minded devotion in this magnificent endeavor. I now extend a very warm welcome to this charismatic dignitary in our midst today. He is a familiar face with a smiling demeanor in our campus. He is a retired commissioned Air Force personnel who has blazed a trail in the educational field too as an excellent principal of DSIS. He is a strict disciplinarian. Nevertheless, his love for children abounds. He is none other than our respected and beloved principal, Wing Commander Patanjali. A very warm welcome to you, sir. We at DSIS
Thank you, ma'am.
We at DSIS not only provide knowledge, but also make our children better human beings, and that is what matters. The group of Dayanand Sagar Institution epitomizes strength, dedication, hard work, and success. Now, here's a bird's eye view of all our activities during the session 2019-2020 by our senior teacher, Mrs. Saida Khanum.
Good morning, one and all present over here. Distinguished guests, parents, and colleagues, I take immense pleasure to present before you the annual report of our school activities 2019-20. Our mission have materialized positively in the day-to-day working of our school in the voyage of discovery of excellence in the field of education and fulfilled our motto, every child counts. We cater the needs of the students from all sections of society, and we recognize this as a challenge and have actively worked in every aspect of child's development. As an outcome of such sincere and combined efforts of teachers and students, our school has achieved 100% quality results in class 10th of 2019, the topper being Saloni with 98%. While 85% of students secured first class with distinction, more than 90% of the students secured first class in the same board examination. Besides academic achievements, our students have participated and brought laurels to the school in array of competitions. The school believes that there is an underlying link between a child's academic pursuit and other pursuits, such as literary, scientific, sports, fine art, tuned with the development of leadership skills. As quoted by Perry D. Coubertin, founder of modern Olympic Games, the important thing in Olympic game is not winning, but taking part. The essential thing in life is not conquering but fighting well. To live up the quote, adequate care is taken for the development of sports and sportsman spirit. Throughout the year, a number of inter-house competitions like Kho-Kho, chess, table tennis, carom, cricket, etc. are held in order to promote self-confidence among the students from class 1 to 10th. Our Sagar Chicks annual sports meet was conducted in month of December, both for the students as well as parents. More than 500 medals, cups, certificates were awarded to all. Even this year, students have participated in inter-school events organized by outside agencies and fetched the prizes. Joseph William Rex of class 7B participated in Guinness World Record in solving Rubik Cube in 1 minute. Saptami of class 4 has won silver medal in kickboxing competition. To create interest among the students and give a positive direction to the curiosity of the students, the school has Boson Science Club that inculcates the scientific temper among the students. The club had conducted several activities like Lab Fest for classes 3rd to 9th, Science Kit related to space science, Kaun Banega Quizophilic, Science and Maths Quiz for classes 5th to 9th, skit on topic healthy food versus junk food, Swachh Bharat skit, awareness about clean India, street play, plastic hatao, Paryavaran bachao, maths activity related to importance of maths in daily life. Science zone, the science exhibition was conducted for the classes 1st to 10th standard. Along with this, students had participated in science inter-school competitions too. Vivekananda Educational Center had organized science trek where our student Safan Saeed and Matthew Joseph of class 10th won first prize. Imad Ibrahim won the prize in debate. Silicon City Academy of Secondary Education had conducted Spectrum 2019 science exhibition in which Safan Saeed, Matthew Joseph and Kushal B bagged the prizes. Another feather to the crown was Purnesh and Kushal. Safan Saeed of class 10th won second place in science model display competition during Dayanand Sagar University Talent Search Competition held at Dayanand Sagar University. Along with these, we have a number of inter-house literary and cultural competitions, namely debate, quiz, declamation, essay writing, group dance, etc. Regular IO brain classes, that is STEM classes, yoga and dance classes are going on smoothly. Adding to this, we have organized the English Club, Club Rock, in which the students have rocked with their talents. Kannada Kanaja, the Kannada Club was also introduced to enhance the essence of Kannada language. Students have also took part in many events like Color Splash, vocal music, classical and western dance, instruments, quiz and newspaper competition. They had participated in Kisa and Frank Anthony debate competition and Albert Barrow essay competitions too. Himanshi Setia of class 8 and Anant Nithani of class 6th won first and third prizes respectively in drawing competition held on the occasion of Kannada Rajyosava celebration. Most of the students have participated in ISKCON's drawing and shloka competition and have won number of prizes. In order to encourage discipline, cooperation, selflessness among the students, the school has systemized Scouts and Guides program in which Bulbuls and Guides got first place in Bulbul greetings, clay modeling and album making held at Delhi Public School. Preetham of 4th A secured second place among the cubs for Geeta Gayana Spardhe conducted in Silicon Academy. Bulbuls, Cubs, Scouts and Guides had their Dvitiya Sopan test camp at Alpine Public School. All the 4 units got first prizes in their respective categories at the event held at Jyoti Kendriya Vidyalaya by Jayanagar Local Association and won the trophy. Education is like the mass of age invention. Is after all only a tool. Education is everything depends upon the workman who uses it. So, the workman in the field of education is a teacher. Hence, many teachers were sent to attend a number of training programs to upgrade themselves in teaching methodology and technology. Students also appeared for BYJU'S aptitude test, wherein Ramesh Tejas of class 9 and Chandan Sukrut of class 5th C had secured first place in the exam and cleared the first round. To enumerate the activities of nursery division, I would wish to convey that the management ensured the schooling a joyful activity through teaching and learning process for tiny tots. Various activities like Colors Day, Cereals Day, Fruit and Vegetables Day, Seasons, fancy dress competitions were organized. Parents were invited for cooking without fire competition. Our school celebrates most of the important days to make the students learn about culture and heritage so that they are aware of the pressing issues. Nursery wing celebrated Founders Day, Ganesha Puja, Ramzan,